Hi, I'm This Brown Geek, and in this video I want to talk about Twitch. Now, I streamed on Twitch for a full year. Actually, wait, the red and the blue don't really work. Let's make them into Twitch colors. Okay, that looks more like Twitch. So I streamed on Twitch for a whole year. I streamed almost every day for that year. My longest streams were like 7 hours long, and I streamed a lot. I streamed Apex Legends.
Do it. Wow, look at you. Lord, look at you.
Oh, no! Scottish.
Yes. I remember when I gave it to him?
Yeah, I forgot.
Oh god. I knocked him.
One guy left.
When
One left, really? Should I heal? Before you run the heals.
No. Hell yeah!
Yeah!
Like a boss.
I streamed just chatting stuff where I was watching a Tesla conference. I streamed Minecraft videos.
I'm scared this is gonna kill me trying to make these ladders. Can you bullshit?
I'm scared of going
Whoa!
down this hole too, dude.
Holy balls, dude, you just died.
I streamed a lot of stuff. Now, the first thing I want to say about Twitch is that the community that I built at the time was amazing. It was so good. We had so much fun. I grew to 270 followers. I became an affiliate. It was great. And the people I met were really nice. And we had a Discord. The Discord's still there, by the way. It's link in the description. I'm sure it'll pick up again once these videos get going on YouTube. Fingers crossed. But yeah, Twitch was really cool, and we made a really good community. 270 followers, which isn't a huge amount. It's actually quite small for Twitch, but I loved it. I streamed for a whole year, like I said, and I streamed a lot, and I'm still in touch with a lot of the people that were part of the community back then, and we still talk, and it's great. But the reason I'm making this video is because I've always said to the people that used to watch me on Twitch that I'll be back, and the fact is I probably won't be. Ooh. Quick, stop the presses.
Oh, stop the presses!
Someone called the Guardian. DeeKHeads isn't streaming on Twitch anymore. Yeah, I used to be called DeeKHeads. I'm now called This Brown Geek because This Brown Geek. It kind of sucks. I really loved streaming on Twitch, but it just doesn't make sense. If you're doing it for fun and you're doing it recreationally, then it makes perfect sense. It's great. But if you're doing it as a job and you're a small YouTuber or you're a small content creator or you're not really known in the space or online or whatever, then no, it's hard. It's difficult. The discoverability on Twitch, every time I say Twitch, I whistle, it's weird. The discoverability on Twitch is very off. It's not like YouTube. On YouTube, you could upload a video and go viral. Not that I do, but you can. It's possible and it happens a lot. If you make good quality content on YouTube that has value, I believe that you can grow to a substantial size and make a living off of it. And that can be your profession. Whereas on Twitch, I think a lot of it is based on luck. I don't think the quality of your stream directly correlates to the amount of growth you have, if that makes sense. It does make sense. You can have amazing streams on Twitch and you could stream for 8 hours a day and have 3 people watching you for the whole 8 hours with no growth, no new followers, no nothing. It's so difficult to grow on Twitch because there's so many people trying to stream on Twitch and you're right at the very bottom, and unless people click your link on something like Twitter or X or whatever, or Facebook, or you go out of your way to market yourself on other social media platforms, that's really the only way you can bring people to your stream. But for the most part, the discoverability on Twitch is still quite bad. I think if you want to be a Twitch streamer, then you need to be a content creator on somewhere like YouTube, and then you bring that audience to Twitch, and then you kind of differentiate your income streams that way, where you have community on YouTube, and if something goes wrong there, at least you have everyone on Twitch. And that's what a lot of content creators do. But again, for the most part, I think streaming on Twitch as someone who wants to make a living off being a content creator, I think solely doing Twitch is almost impossible in my opinion. Now, I gave it a good go. Like, you know what, you could stream right now, somehow go viral some way, become huge and be like an overnight success. That does happen, but I think the likelihood of that happening on Twitch is very low compared to something like YouTube. Now, if I do live stream again in the future, which I am planning on doing at some point, it won't be on Twitch, it will be on YouTube. I think it just makes so much more sense. Seeing as I'm doing this full time now, I think devoting my life to YouTube for a bit is necessary. I've always wanted to do this. I've wanted to do this forever. I've wanted to do this for the whole 2 decades I was employed somewhere else. And now I get to do it, and I have a brand new studio and everything has to go on YouTube. So yeah. So sorry to everyone that was following me on Twitch, but I probably won't be back. But the good news is I am on YouTube and I'll probably stream on YouTube. But my advice for small creators who want to live stream, honestly, I suggest making a YouTube channel, growing a YouTube channel to the point where you can live stream, and then live streaming on YouTube, or live stream on both. And hopefully, because you can get discovered on YouTube, grow an audience on YouTube and then bring that audience over to Twitch, which I might do in the future. I just don't know, because right now it's just YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. We'll see how it goes, but that's all I wanted to say about that. So Twitch, I'll miss you. It's all about YouTube now. Live streams on YouTube, videos on YouTube, everything on YouTube. X is paying creators really well now. Maybe I should upload on X. Do you think X will ever do live streams? At Elon Musk, do you has live streams? But anyways, look, Twitch is an amazing platform. I really loved Mixer as well, by the way, because their latency there was just like no latency there. And I think as a competitor to Twitch, it was amazing. But Microsoft shut it down and gave it to Facebook Gaming. And there's no way in hell I'm streaming on Facebook Gaming. Sorry, but no. So yeah, I don't know why you needed to know this information. Twitch felt like unfinished business. And this is the line in the sand. Twitch is dead. Twitch is not dead. Twitch is dead to... No, it's not dead to me. I still watch people on Twitch. My channel on Twitch may as well be... Oh man, that's really sad. Anyways, live streams going forward will be on YouTube. This is my full-time job now. It has been now for about 9 months. We've built a brand new bespoke studio, as you can see. And this video has a sponsor. This video is sponsored by Pro-Coustix. Pro-Coustix make amazing acoustic foam. As you can see behind me, we have acoustic foam. We have acoustic foam on the ceiling. We have acoustic bass traps in the corners. It is fantastic. There's no echo in here anymore. And I haven't even finished putting all of the foam on the walls. It sounds so much better than it used to. And I am filming a review and like a how-to guide and a before and after. So before foam, after foam, echo, no echo, that sort of thing. Pro-Coustix have been really good. If you work from home and you have Zoom calls or Teams meetings or whatever, and your audio sucks and it's embarrassing because you have lots of sound reflection off your wall, give Pro-Coustix a call or go on their website in the description below and tell them I sent you and get yourself some acoustic foam. It's really easy to put up on the ceiling or the walls. You just stick it on, literally stick it on, and it's very simple. If I have a discount code, that will be in the video description as well. Pro-Coustix are awesome. Have a look, they're really good. I'm not just saying that. I was going to buy their stuff even before they sponsored these videos, so really good. I'm not joking. Go click it. And that's about it from me. If you're a small creator and you're considering dedicating your life to streaming on Twitch, in my opinion, I don't think you should. I think you should make a YouTube channel instead. Not that I'm a YouTube sensation by any stretch of the imagination, but I just think discoverability on YouTube is extremely good compared to something like Twitch. So if you found this video useful, or if it's steered you in another direction and you somehow become huge on YouTube now, give me a shout out. But until then, consider subscribing and like this video if you liked it. You've been watching This Brown Geek. I'll catch you in the next one.